If fast money is your flavor, this video is for you. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So many of you know who've been, watching my channel for any amount of time, I do not promote fast money on a normal basis. But when you're talking about scalping markets, you're actually talking about fast money. So it's time for me to take care of my scalpers, okay? I've taken care of my swing traders. I've taken care of my kind of medium time traders. Today, I'm gonna look out for the scalpers, all right? Because price action trading works for different strategies, different people, different personalities, okay? When I think about scalping, swing trading, long-term trading, in my head, it all comes back to personalities, okay? Everybody has a different personality, and so people really don't take that into consideration, that your trading style has a lot to do with your personality, okay? And so me personally, I'm more of a swing trader. I don't have a problem being in a trade for an hour. I don't have a problem being in a trade for a few days. Okay, so like when I'm trading in the Forex, a lot of times I'm in that trade for a few days or at least a day, and I don't have a problem with that. As long as I'm catching the second leg of a good swing. Okay, so I'm more of a swing trader, but price action allows me or gives me the ability to scalp if I want to. Okay, and so the beauty of price action, again, the beauty of being able to read a price chart, is that you can scalp if you want. You can swing trade if you want. You can wait for sweet spot trades if you want. You can do only range fades if you want. So it's interesting because we're not to summer yet, but this is May 1st. I'll probably show this video in a couple of days, but we're into May now. And it was around this time last year. I know it was June. I did what was called range fade summer. I didn't do anything but take range fade setups all summer, and that was a 10-minute trade in the binary options market, and we had great success. So here's the thing: in trading, you just got to pick your find your flavor. Okay, you have to find your flavor. All right, and so I've been doing it so long that I can kind of switch up, jump around, teach, luckily for you guys, I know how to scalp, I know how to swing trade, I know how to take range fades, I know how to take long-term trades, so I can pour all this back out to you guys. So again, you have to find your flavor. If you clicked on this video, your flavor is, you probably like fast money, right? You want to get in and out, and some people need this, right? Everybody doesn't have the ability to sit in front of price charts all day. Some people, you're working your 9 to 5, you only got a couple of hours you can do it. And so scalping is maybe what you need to do. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can scalp the binary options market. All right, I'm also going to have a little example of scalping the futures market, but we're still testing that. But binary options. So how do you scalp it? This is what you want to do when you looking to scalp. Okay, what I suggest you do, for those of us who are familiar with the rule of two. The rule of two just basically states if you get a trend leg, you're gonna get another leg about that same distance. All right, that's the rule of two. It's real simple. Okay, but it takes time to see it. All right, it takes time of getting your chart hours up to be able to see it. But once you see it, then you can trade it. So what you really want to do when you're scalping, especially if you're scalping in the binary options market, and when I say scalping, I'm talking about a 1-minute trade. We gonna legit scalp it, right? So what you want to do is, in my opinion, there's a few trades you could take. You could take rally-based rallies, drop-based drops if you see them, right? But the higher probability trade is always, because what do I say? The best entries are always on, off, or around the 21 EMA. So the better trade is when you can get a leg up and then you get a pullback back to the 21 EMA, and then you get a beautiful signal candle off the 21 EMA. That's the one, because you're expecting another leg of the same distance to the one to the left, right? So what you're looking for is that trend up, trend break, retest. You're looking for the rule of two. That's a great way to scout the binary options market. If you can find that rule of two coming together. And this is why being able to read a price chart is so important. So you can be a price action prophet and see that leg coming, you know. So that's what's so great about price action. It just warms my belly, warms my heart. You know, that's what's so great about it, that I can anticipate this stuff. You know, I'm not guessing. I'm taking high probability trades because I've studied enough price charts to understand that the market loves to move in twos. Okay, so when you get that trend up, right, and in this case, it's okay to draw trend lines. Usually, I don't even worry about trend lines because I'm just working with the 21 EMA. But if you want to scalp, the trend line may help you. You know what I'm saying? So if you see it, you see 3-4 candles going up, you draw that trend line, you wait for the break of the trend line, and then when you get a big nice green candle back up, you go with that. If we're coming short, say you get 3-4 reds in a row, right? Draw that trend line above it. When you get that break, you're waiting for a nice, beautiful red candle back down. That's your signal to go. And a lot of times you'll be able to get if you catch the momentum, the next candle can push down. So that's what I would look for if I was going to scalp the markets. If I was going to scalp the binary option market, I would try to focus on the rule of two. I would try to take something off the 21 EMA. And the final filter, that signal candle, okay? You want a nice, strong signal candle, because when you're scalping, you need to go with momentum, right? We're only going to try to be in it for 1 minute, right? So we need to catch the momentum of the move, all right? And that's another thing that the rule of two gives you, because you saw all the momentum going up. Then you got the little small break, and so we're expecting that momentum to resume, and so that's what you're trying to catch. But the signal candle will tell you, right? Don't take little duddy signal candles in this situation when you're trying to scalp. You want to take big, strong signal candles. You want to take signal candles that had a nice stem to show some projection, then a big boy up. You know, you want to take some of them boys. Okay. All right. And that just comes into signal candle theory. And, you know, again, something else you learn with price action, something else my students have learned, you know, so you have to just put everything together. All right. So if you're going to scalp the market, I suggest you focus on looking for a rule of two setup with a signal candle off the 21 EMA that's very big, closes on its top. All right. If you can find those three factors, you got a pretty high chance of scalping a 1 minute trade. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to show a few examples. All right. Well, not a few examples. I did some live trading. All right. So this would be a live trade example for you guys, just showing you how I scalped, you know, the binary options market for 1 minute, and then showing you, I'm also going to show you a trade that I'm trying to develop, still in development, that I took on demo in the futures market to scalp that market. And so today is scalper's delight. All right. So again, if you're going to scalp the binary options market or futures market too, look for the rule of two. All right. The rule of two is how I would go about scalping these markets, because if you get the rule of two states, if you don't know it, the rule of two is just that if you get one leg this distance, there's a high chance you're going to get another leg in that same direction of that distance. The center of the pattern is normally two legs too, the rule of two. And that's what makes like a second entry long. But that's a whole nother discussion. But look for the rule of two. So you want to look for the rule of two, look for the rule of two, look for it to happen off the 21 EMA, and look for a strong signal candle in the direction you want it to go. And then you can scalp these puppies. All right. So this is, hope this helps out my scalpers. All right. And we're going to show you some examples, a live example, so you can see me work through it. And hey, enjoy. Let's scalp them out. All right. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. I greatly appreciate all the comments you guys been leaving. Keep dropping them. The channel is growing. We did cross 4,000 subscribers. So hey, I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. I'm glad we're growing. We're helping a lot of struggling traders. You know what I'm saying? We're erasing bad common trading knowledge. All right. We're giving people the information that they need to actually start winning and get wealth, which is the ability to read a price chart through the God sent wealth strategy of price action trading. I can't hardly get it out. You know what I'm saying? And we're putting people on the path to profits through price action. All right. That might be my saying the rest of the year. We're putting people on the path to profits through price action. All right. So keep studying your charts. When I say study, I mean take a screenshot of your charts, look for every second entry, look for every lower high, look for every higher low, look for every rally base rally, look for every range fade that you could have taken. All right. When you practice in that fashion, then when you get into the game, you'll be able to trade well, and your performance will show. Hey, practice till you can't get it wrong. All right. If you practice enough, it'll show in your performance. All these P's, if you practice enough, it will show in your performance. Man, price action. All right. So I'm going to sign off with that. Check out the live examples. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we're going to do some scalping today. And what we're looking for is strong momentum, all right? We want the rally base rallies, the drop base drops, or we want strong, high, lower high, right off the 21 EMA. We want to see momentum, all right? We want to see good, strong momentum with a great signal candle. Gotta have a great signal candle when you're doing this. But our off the EMA trades are gonna be best. The lower highs, right like this, are gonna be best, where we see some momentum, where we see a trend down. There we go. Okay, something like this with target down here. Last time we was in this area, fell hard. We've had 2 attempts to go higher already. Things like that. See if we can get this is a high, push down, lower high entry right under the EMA. Still taking price action setups. We're just gonna try to scalp. Push down. Okay, let's get us one. This will be the first one. All right, see, that's what we want. Just when you're scalping, you definitely have to take setups. No just jumping in, no just taking big candles. We need good price action entries, Okay, so. Although this may not look like it, I'm actually considering this doji could possibly be a drop base drop. Again, to me, the target is down here. The higher low just worked. EMA is turning over, pointing straight down. We may be able to get one more trade out of this. Or we may be about to get another high, lower high. Look like that's what we're about to get. Okay. So you see how we couldn't go nowhere? You basically got 2 dojis now. Now we can if we get a good push down, break lower than all this, our target would be down here. I'll go one more time on this pound yen. Here it comes. Up, turning on us. All right, see what else is out there. Man, tempted to go long now. That's strength. Let's see. Hold on a second. If this thing, oh, I'm going short here. This thing turns into a hammer. I like it. All that rejection right off the 21 EMA. We're in a down push. EMA still pointing down. I mean, that's a ton of rejection. Come on. Rejection, 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 push down. And not only did we get that, we'll get to go again here because this is a high, push down, lower high. If we can hold on here, we'll get a 2 for 1 possibly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're in again on that. So that's 2. We'll try to grab one more here. Hopefully it wasn't a mistake. Oh, don't give us one. Don't give it back. Push down. Come on, push down, push down, push down. You got time. Closing your low, closing your low, closing your low. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Break lower, break lower, break lower, break lower. Break lower, break lower. You got time. Push down, break lower, break lower. I guess I got greedy. But no, that was a good entry, actually. Take true. But that blew it. We actually had 5% in the bag. That was a bad mistake there. So now we gotta go find another one. Well, and again, now we're getting the push off the EMA. See what we do with this EMA again. Last time we showed strong rejection. Let's see if it's gonna do it again before we leave. Now we got a target up here though, and here still. Best entries are on, off, or around the 21 EMA. Here we come. This might have been the one we should have waited for in the first place. Let's go off the EMA. Nice strong candle. Got a target down here and still down here. Give us that last bad one back and we call it a day. All right, hold on here and we're good. We've scalped the market for 5%. That's a good day. You know, I took an extra trade because I was a little jumpy there. But that's okay. Still got our 5%. And we took a recap. We took a high. We took this lower high right here. That was a good one. We saw the rejection right off the EMA right there. Basically a falling hammer. We took that one. Then if we had been patient and took the third one, notice how all three that were off the EMA basically won. Off the EMA, off the EMA, off the EMA. Your best entries are on, off, or around the 21 EMA. All right, so that'll wrap it up for today. That's a little scalping lesson. I don't scalp a lot. You know, you guys know I'm all about the sweet spot trade. I'm more of a swing trader, but that doesn't mean that I don't know how to scalp. And so if you do want to scalp instead of being in, trades for longer time frame, this is how you do it, right? You take the same old setups, right? That's what's so beautiful about price action. It's still the same setups. You take the same setups, but try to take them on, off, or around the 21 EMA. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we are in the S&P ES right now. And we see we trend up. We had this trend up, but what we're looking at now is big strong leg down. So we're looking for the rule of 2. I'm gonna sell here. Now I'm in the demo. I'm in a demo account because I'm testing right now. So what we're testing is a strategy where I'm actually going for 2 points. I'm actually going for 3 points, and I'm risking 2 points and a tick. So the odds are in our favor. But we're also coming out of right where probably would have been the sweet spot area. So this is kind of a sweet spot trade and a trend up, trend break, rule of 2. Hopefully we can get another leg of this distance right here to get here. Let me see, I can do some legs now. So what we're looking for is, that's leg 1. Leg 2, the target is actually here. So we really should be able to get these 3 points. if the rule of 2 holds for us right here. Let's see if it does. Halfway there. Rule of 2. We would already had a scalper's profit if we just was going for 1 point. I want to test this 3 point. I want to put the odds in our favor as far as risk to reward ratio. And so we are almost there. Played with us. But as you see, we got enough leg here, right? We got enough leg here that we should be able to get this. Like, I'm not even gonna move in. See, if you move to break even, you'd have got knocked out right there. Just gotta let the trade play out. You know, gotta be comfortable with losing the 2. Oh, by the way, full disclosure, I am in demo right now because I'm testing. If you're new to this channel, I will always say when I'm in demo. If I don't say I'm in demo, it's live trading. This here is definitely demo because we're testing this out now that we're getting back into futures. And so we need to run some tests, probably do this all through May. Now this is the ES mini, and the micros, we're going to be trying to go for 20 points, risking 10. It's kind of my thought. So we'll test that out, see how it goes. But here we're going to be going for 3 points in the ES. So let's see if we can get this 3 points. We were so close to hit 2 points. I thought it was going to go on, shoot on down there for us. Okay, that made another lower high for us, so hopefully we can push on down now. You know what I mean? This was a high, push up, this was a lower high. So that's, the EMA is pointing down, so we should keep coming on down. Here we come. There must be some demand right where I'm sitting. Okay, we need another lower high. Close on your low, close on your low, close on your low. Yeah, there's gotta be, man, there must be some demand sitting right there. Every time we push down, that's a lot of stem. That's scary, I'll be honest. We need to break through. Okay, close on your low, close on your low, close on your low. I had to take it. We still made another lower high. So we can push down. Okay, okay. One more little surge. Here we go. I mean, there has to be some demand sitting right where we are sitting. Have to be patient. Let this boy play out. Making another higher low. This is a falling hammer, basically off the EMA. If it makes the falling hammer, we'll be good. If it makes the falling hammer right here off the EMA, we'll be good. Oh yeah, let's get it. Falling hammer right off the EMA. If it closes on this low, we'll win on the next candle. Push down, push down. Oh yeah, this is a beauty. Close on your low. This is a beauty breakout. All right, that was a good close. That was a good close. This could do it right here. That's a falling hammer off the EMA, closed Lord and everything to the left. Left some stem, but I think we can do it right here on this candle. Again, the leg we have is, we got plenty of leg here. Look at that rejection, beautiful rejection. Closing your low. You may move down some more. We break lower again, we'll get it. You have to work for 3 points. This ain't quite a scalp. This isn't quite a scalping situation. 1 point would have been a scalp. We would have been out, I mean, 4 or 5 times by now, just going for 1 point. But I want to see if 3 will work, because I could be done for the day when I hit this. Come on, right here, 2 more ticks, 2 more ticks. Target filled. That's a win. That's a win. That's a 3-point win in the ES minis. Okay, so for those who don't know, every point is worth $50. So we basically risked $100 to make $150. So that was $150. It wasn't all that quick. That took a little longer than I would want, but it worked. And you know, price action, rule of 2. Here's a leg. We had another target way down here. And we was well ahead of that, so that worked out. That worked out perfect. So we'll keep testing. That's just an example though there of a trade that we may be able to take in the ES mini, and so we'll test that out some more. All right, so that'll do it for this one. I'll catch you on the next time. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye bye. If you need to learn more price action, watch this video right here.